I guess especially with how much power chiefs in those days had, which was pretty.
When you mention power, so that same illustration, a chief's power is actually derived from the menial, from the common people. He or she would not have the chance to become sacred if the people don't elevate him or her.
Ah, okay.
Don't touch this, don't say this, don't do this, we will do the dirty work for you. And thus, the outsiders, the whalers, the traders, the missionaries, they see this one has power. No. The powerhouse is the ones you do not see. And these are the ones behind the chief. This is where their roles, the
Right.
roles come into.
Right.